Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone can run the fixes. Check iOS and update if needed. Next, open the Shortcuts app and land in Library so you see the shortcut that misbehaves. Once visible, tap the shortcut to edit. Make sure you're in the editor view and not previewing. If you plan to install or test third-party shortcuts, enable Allow Untrusted Shortcuts in Settings. Do this only when you trust the source. You now inspect the shortcut action by action. Run it stepwise with the play button and watch where it fails. When an action shows an error, tap it to view inputs and linked variables. Correct any mismatched types or missing content. Replace deprecated actions by searching the action library for modern equivalents and reconnect results. Also verify app permissions. If an action needs photos or location, grant access in settings so the shortcut can execute fully. You finish by running the shortcut from start to finish and examine the run summary for exact failure points. Logs tell you which action returned unexpected data. Once fixed, save changes and export a backup to Files or iCloud so you can restore a working copy. If problems persist, duplicate the shortcut and remove or recreate the problematic segment. This isolates faults. One troubleshooting tip: if a shortcut repeatedly fails after updates, reset its permissions and run again to refresh app authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.